I'm going to show you how to create your own LED screen texture to create this realistic screen effect in your videos. First, create a 30 by 30 pixel project. Use the rectangle tool to draw a centered 30 by 30 square. Set the fill to no fill, the stroke to 2, and the color to white. Go to edit, and then define pattern to save this as a pattern. Next, adjust canvas size to 1920 by 1080, and hide your pattern layer. Go to your adjustment layers and select pattern, then choose the pattern you just made and scale it down to 40%. Add a green solid adjustment layer and clip it to the pattern layer. Duplicate both the pattern and solid layers twice. Change the color of the second solid layer to red, and nudge this pattern layer 2 pixels to the left, using your left arrow key, but make sure the move tool is selected before doing so. Change the color of the third solid layer to blue and nudge this pattern layer 2 pixels to the right. The resulting pattern should have each color occupying 2 pixel columns in the classic RGB scheme. Export your texture as a PNG file. Once you have exported your texture, all you have to do now is drag and drop the LED texture onto your footage in your editor, and set the opacity of the texture anywhere from 5 to 10%. If you want to learn how to create this 3D screen effect, you can check out Finzer's video on how to create this effect in both Premiere Pro and After Effects, which I'll link down below in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.